Hello children, welcome to our English class. Children, before going to the topic, look at these pictures. Children, look. What is this? This is the picture of a dog. Children, what is this? Yes, this is the picture of a crow. Children, look. What is this? This is the picture of a spider. What is this? This is the picture of a cobwebs. It is a net made by the spider. Okay? Next, today's topic is cobwebs. Children, now we will read the poem Cobwebs. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white, like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles weave day and night. The setting sun pours into them, colors are rainbow bright. But the moon turns them into magic white. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white, like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. Children, I am going to again read the poem and listen carefully. Cobwebs. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white, like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles weave day and night. The setting sun pours into them, colors are rainbow bright. But the moon turns them into magic white. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white, like the weaver's unfinished clothes at the work site. Next, now drilling of some new words. Spider, a web spinning insect. Look, this is the spider. Cobweb, spider's net. Look, this is the cobwebs. This is the cobweb. Stretch, widen without breaking. Ceaseless, without rest. Unfinished, not finished. Look, this is the unfinished cloth. Next, spindles, weaving instruments. Look, this is the spindles. Pour, putting some liquid. Look, this one. Pour, setting sun, going down of the sun. Look, this one is the setting sun. Weaver means one who weaves thread or cloth. Look, this one is the weaver. Children, now I am going to recite the poem for better understanding. Cobwebs. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white, like the weavers on finished clothes at the work site. The busy spiders with their ceaseless spindles weave day and night. The setting sun pours into them colors are rainbow bright. But the moon turns them into the magic white. The long stretch of cobwebs on telephone wires look white, like the weavers on finished clothes at the work site. Now we will do some comprehension questions. First one, what is the poem about? Yes, the poem is about cobwebs. Answer is cobwebs. Next, where is the cobweb? Yes, the cobweb is on the telephone wires. Next, is it a small piece or in very long piece? Yes, it is in very long piece. Next, which words tell you so? Yes, the long stretch of cobwebs. Tell us so. Question number 5. What is the color of the cobweb on telephone wires? Yes, the color of the cobweb on telephone wires is white. Answer is white. Question number 6. The long stretch of cobweb is like, yes, the weaver's unfinished clothes. The weaver's unfinished clothes. Question number 7. Where is unfinished clothes? Yes, the unfinished clothes are at the work site. Answer is at the work site. Question number 8. Who weaves the cloth? Yes, the weavers. The weaver weaves the cloth. Next, question number 9. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes, 7 colors. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Answer is 7 colors. Question number 10. What is the meaning of spindles? The meaning of spindles is a thin rod for winding threads. Yes. Next question, number 11. Question number 11. Who changes the white color of the cobweb? Yes, the setting sun. The setting sun changes the white color of the cobweb. The answer is the setting sun. Question number 12. The spiders are compared to weavers. How are they like? Yes, both are weave. But the answer is they both weave. They both weave. So, they are like. Now we will do some other activities. Choose the correct alternative to answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who is busy? The sun, the moon, a spider, the day. Yes, answer is a spider. Question number 2. Which is compared to the cobweb? The sun, a rainbow, the moon, a weaver's cloth. Answer is, yes, answer is a weaver's cloth. Question number 3. Who makes the cobweb rainbow colored? The moon, the sun, a weaver, a spindle. Yes, answer is the sun. Next, question number 4. To whom is the spider compared? A weaver, the sun, the moon, a spindle. Answer is a weaver. Yes. Allah do it? Yes. Next. A summary of the poem is given below. Fill in the gaps. The cobwebs on telephone wires are like this. The cobwebs on telephone wires are like the weavers on finished clothes. Yes. The spiders are like this. Yes, the spiders are like the weavers. The days are busy as the weavers. Who? The days are busy as the weavers. Yes. The spider. The spider are as busy as the weavers. The spiders are busy as the weavers. Next. The days makes the days rainbow colored. Yes. The setting sun. Makes the cobweb rainbow color. The days makes it magical white. Yes, the moon. Next, fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps. Look, some following words. There are some following words. What are they? Clothes, long, look, work, on, wears, like. First, the day's stretch of cobwebs. Yes, the long stretch of cobwebs. Here, days, telephone days. Yes, on telephone wires. Days white. Look white. Days the weaver's unfinished clothes. Like. Yes. Like the weaver's unfinished clothes. At the day's side. What? Sight. Okay? Do it. Next. Match the words under A with V. One is done for you. Column A, column B. Telephone. Words. Unfinished. Yes, unfinished clothes. Work. Work. Yes, work site. Next. Busy. 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 Yes, busy spider. Ceaseless. Ceaseless. Yes, ceaseless spindles. Setting. Yes, setting sun. What we learned today? We enjoyed the poem, understood it, and also did some comprehension activities. Thank you, children. Bye bye.